Today I'm going to show you how to share photos on Facebook. So there are two ways that you can share photographs on Facebook. Quite simply, click on what's on your mind on the top of the page and tap on gallery. Now this will allow you to share a photograph from your device. Let's go ahead and do that. I've got this funny little bunny looking thing, and now if I tap on next, I'll be able to post this and share it with the community on Facebook. Now, there are other ways of doing this, so quite simply, let's go into our profile, and here we can go to photos, and under photos, you'll be able to perhaps see a particular photo. Right, now what we can do is go ahead and click on the three dots on the top of the page, and here you can share externally. So if you go and click on share externally, you will also have the share on Facebook option, or you can quite simply go and click on the share button at the bottom here and be able to share directly to some Facebook friends as well. You can also share random images, perhaps let's say you're going through one of these images and let's say one of these images open, you can tap on the share icon and you will be able to share this image with your community on Facebook.